If you haven't got much payload left in your caravan, having a roof box is a great way to carry more stuff without overloading your caravan. Fitting a roof box to a car is fairly straightforward but can be time consuming. We decided to fit an MOA Venom 460 litre roof box to one of our cars. Here's how. The first thing you're going to need to do is to fit roof bars to your car. Each car will need specific roof bars so that it fits properly. It's a good idea to lay out all the components first so you know that you've got all the right parts, and also to read the instructions so you know what to do when.
All roof boxes vary slightly in size, so you may want to measure roughly where the clamping points are on the roof box so you know how far apart to set the roof bars. As the clamps are adjustable, once you've got the correct width, use the rubber strip to seal the groove underneath the roof bars. You'll need a very sharp knife to do this and some sort of cutting mat so that you don't damage the car or table surface. Cut through the rubbers and then carefully squeeze them into the hollow groove. This will prevent wind noise and whistling, which can be really annoying on a long journey. With the rubber seals in place, position the roof bar and get ready to tighten it onto the roof rails. These roof rails are cleverly engineered. Just one Allen bolt clamps them tightly onto the car's roof rails and onto the roof bars at the same time. Now it's time to fit the second bar in exactly the same way, though we found the width to be slightly narrower. Small plastic covers are clipped in place and are then locked with a key to ensure no one can steal your roof bars.
As you did with the roof bars, you'll need to take the roof box out of its packaging first, of course. And then lay it out on the floor with all the components so you know exactly what you've got and what should go where with the instructions. Although the roof boxes can be light, they are bulky, so it's a good idea to get some help to put it onto the roof. Adjust the roof box so it's aligned with the edges of your car, and get some help aligning it if you need it. The aerial on some cars is a useful object for lining up the rear of the roof box. If you've got an estate car or a hatchback, make sure you can open your boot with the roof box on the top.
Once you're happy with the position of the roof box, you need to clamp it in place. These holes allow for adjustment. A U-shaped clamp pushes through. First of all, seal them with the rubber strip, then push the U-shaped clamp through the holes and just nick the rubber so that you can push the clamp all the way through. Next, take the clamping plate, place it over the bolts, then grab the wing nuts and tighten them down. Repeat this process for all 4 U-shaped bolts.
Each roof box will have a different weight capacity. The MOA Venom 460 litre has a 50 kg capacity. You should put most weight in between the roof bars to make sure it's stable.
Roof boxes are a great idea for caravanners. They take the weight out of the caravan and leave it in the car, and it means you don't have to load the hatch area above the height of the back seats, which could be dangerous in the event of a crash. They're also ideal for people who love beaches and water sports, as you can leave your wet sandy gear in the roof box and outside the car. The MOA Venom retails at £224.99, while the Spacebar roof bars cost around £85. We found them for less online.